Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing the latest version of Android Studio on Windows 11 24H2. Android Studio is the go-to software for Android development, and it's packed with features to help you create amazing apps. So, let's get right into it. First, open your browser and type to search Download Android Studio. Click to open this first website. Click on the Download button, and you may need to accept the terms and conditions. Once you do that, your download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, double-click it to begin the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup. Click on Next. Next. When ready, hit Next and then Install to complete the setup. After installation, open Android Studio. It may prompt you to download or update the SDK tools required for Android development. Make sure to complete this step to avoid any issues later on. And that's it. You now have Android Studio installed on your Windows 11 24H2 setup. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Comment below if you ran into any issues or if there are other topics you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and happy coding!